guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a unicorn design and it's for one of the Charlie's nail art collabs. I just want to let you guys know this as well. Anyone can take part in these collabs. You only have to use at least one Charlie's nail art product. And if you take part in the collab, post your picture with the hashtag CNA collab. Because I think a lot of people think that the collab is only for the Charlie's brand ambassadors, but no, anyone can take part in the Charlie's nail art collab. So if you do fancy taking part, head over to Charlie's Facebook and Instagram and you'll see what the themes are for each week. So I've picked out a few items that I think I'm going to use today from Charlie's. So the first item is the fine silver holographic glitter. I'm definitely going to be using that. I might be using this unicorn glitter mix, I'm not sure yet. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using these gorgeous unicorn charms. How cute are they? They're so pretty. So that's what I've pulled out from Charlie's. I'm going to start off by giving the nails a coat of this PVOY colour 011, which is a really gorgeous light pink. Very light pink, look at that. And I'm going to do a coat of that on all four nails. And then I shall pop back in once I've done that. Now that's them had two coats, fully cured. Now I'm using the Gershion Polygel, which is 002 colour. And I'm going to be doing some unicorn horn nails. And I'm going to be doing that on the middle finger and ring finger. And I'm just going to be doing some stripes going all the way down. But I want them to be slightly at a diagonal, as you can see there on the left hand side, slightly lower and then coming up on the right hand side, so it looks like, you know, the unicorn horn has like, it's like a ribbed effect, if that makes sense. It's the only way I can explain it. God, this is really hard to explain. So I want to create that kind of ribbed effect, and I want it to look like it's going all the way around the nail. Now you can see I'm making a bit of a pig's ear of this. It looks a right mess at the minute, but go with the process, guys. It will look fine in the end, I promise. It don't look great right now, but I promise it will. To be honest, it doesn't really matter what it looks like. I'm just trying to get the product where I need it most at the minute. And then once I've got that where I want it, I can then go in and tidy it up with my brush. Now, it don't matter what colour polygel you use for this, because I'm going to be painting over it anyway with that light pink once I've got it all where I want it. I just picked up the closest one that I had to hand. So now I'm just going to do the exact same on the ring finger as I've just done on the middle. And then I'm not going to cure that, because I'm now going to go in with my polygel brush and I'm going to neaten that up and try to get them looking like unicorn horns more than they do right now. Now I found this polygel quite sticky, so you will notice my hand going out of shot quite a lot. And when my hand's going out of shot, all I'm doing is dipping my brush into some isopropyl alcohol and then drain the excess liquid out of the brush, and it just helps to stop the brush sticking to that polygel. I'm just going to show you me doing the one nail of these guys because it's the exact same process on both nails. And all I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get that to look like it's going all the way around the nail, you know, like it does on a horn. So I shall let you get on and watch this bit, and I shall pop back in a minute. So I've got them horn nails how I wanted them. I cured them in the lamp for 60 seconds just to cure that polygel, and now I'm going in with that PVOY gel polish again, the 011, that light pink colour, and I'm just going to be going over that polygel. Now I could have really painted the nail at the same time. Instead of painting all 4 nails at the beginning, I could have just really done the 2 outside nails and then painted these now as I'm doing the ribs, but it doesn't really matter. You can see there that gel polish isn't covering that polygel very well. I did have to go in and do a second coat just to make sure it was fully covered and cure them both for 30 seconds. And now I'm applying a shiny top coat, but it's one with a tacky layer. And I'm going to be burnishing some of that fine silver holographic glitter into it. Now, I'd have probably been better off using base coat for this, to be honest. If I was to do these again, I would have used base coat, definitely, because I did find that the holographic glitter wasn't really sticking to it that well. So, base coat is a lot better option if you're going to be burnishing glitter into it. But you can see here, it is sticking, and then when I went to top coat over these at the end, it was rubbing some of the glitter off. And I'm just using a little soft brush to apply this glitter. And then once I've applied it to the nail, I just go in with my finger and just rub it in just to burnish it in properly. Now, how gorgeous is that glitter, guys? That is so holographic. I love it. It's super duper shiny. So now I'm applying a non-wipe shiny top coat, and I'm going to apply that to the index finger and the pinky. And then I cured that for 30 seconds, and now I'm burnishing in this gorgeous mermaid powder. Oh, I love this stuff. Look at the colour that turns that into. It is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I thought I'd just apply a little bit on these nails as well, just to cover up them little patches where I've rubbed the glitter off. And this mermaid powder is a Born Pretty one that I got from Aliexpress, and it applies really, really nicely. You don't need hardly any. I used far too much there. I really didn't need that much at all. And I think I only paid about 60 pence for it. It was really, really cheap. So that's that all applied, and now I'm going in again with the non-wipe shiny top coat. Apply that to both of them nails, but I'm not going to cure that just yet because I'm going to be sprinkling some of this unicorn glitter mix from Charlie's, and I just want it on the tips of these nails, going at a bit of a diagonal. And I'm going to do that on the index and the pinky. And then once I've applied that, I'm just going to stick one of them beautiful unicorn charms on the pinky nail, and then that'll be them all done, guys. Now with this charm, if I was applying that on somebody's nails, I probably wouldn't put it on the pinky nail anyway, because it was a little bit big for the pinky. And also, I wouldn't be sticking it into a top coat. I would apply it with gem glue or something. But it's great just for temporary things like this. It will hold it in place just for pictures and things, you know. But once I've took the pictures, I take these off anyway and reuse them, because I'm such a tight ass. So that's them all finished. What do you think, guys? I think they're really, really cute. Really cute. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this was a set I did for a Charlie's Nail Art collab. And you'll see there that I've pinned the website and my discount code for Charlie's in the top left-hand corner of the screen. But I'll also pop it in the description box as well. So I really hope you like them. If you do, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you will never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.